As Arizona summers heat up, keeping your home cool is vital. High temperatures can lead to health risks, especially for vulnerable individuals. Fortunately, there are federal and Arizona tax credits, plus rebates from APS and SRP, to help you upgrade your AC system. You could be eligible for a federal tax credit of up to $3,200 for energy-efficient home improvements made after January 1st, 2023. This includes $600 for HVAC unit replacement, $2,000 for air source heat pumps, and up to $1,200 for air duct sealing. Maximize your credits by combining upgrades like attic insulation with a new AC unit or heat pump. Arizona offers the Home Electrification and Appliance Rebate or HERE program, providing up to $14,000 for low-income households and 50% of costs, or up to $14,000 for moderate-income households for installing ENERGY STAR-certified electric heat pumps. Additionally, the Home Efficiency Rebate program subsidizes up to 50% of expenses for households earning up to 150% of the local median income. APS offers a $200 rebate for AC unit replacement, $1,000 for customers in need, and $250 for air ductwork repair and sealing. SRP provides up to $1,125 for new AC unit replacement, heat pump, or mini split systems, plus rebates for smart thermostat installation and air duct repair. Upgrading to a new, energy-efficient AC system offers enhanced cooling efficiency, lower energy bills, improved indoor air quality, and long-term reliability. Tax credits and rebates cover high-efficiency heat pumps, central air conditioners, duct and attic air sealing, and attic insulation. To claim your tax credits and rebates, gather detailed records of your HVAC system purchase and installation. Know the deadlines for filing and choose a professional installer like Allstate Air and Heating to ensure proper installation and compliance with local building codes and manufacturer standards. Fill out the necessary forms, consult a tax professional if needed, and track your credit status after submission. Don't miss out on these opportunities to save money and improve your home's energy efficiency. With careful planning and professional assistance, you can navigate the process and enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home this summer.